Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 5th, 2025, we're taking a detailed look at XAUUSD, gold against the US dollar. We'll be analyzing recent news and headlines, then diving into the charts to understand the technical picture. Recent news suggests gold is testing all-time highs, with some analysts predicting $4,000 per ounce. We'll explore if this bullish sentiment is supported by the chart data. Geopolitical tensions, U.S.-China trade worries, and uncertainty surrounding the Federal Reserve's policy are major driving forces. We'll look for correlation in the charts. Let's start with the one-day chart to get a broad overview. Looking at the past year, we see a significant upward trend, especially from early 2025. We need to watch for potential retracement levels, key support areas, and resistance points to validate the current trend. Now, let's narrow our focus to the last few months, starting in March 2025, to examine the most recent price action. We can observe a climb, followed by some consolidation, and then another strong move upward. Key levels to watch in the short term are around $3,200 and $3,400. A break above $3,400 could signal further upside momentum, while a drop below $3,200 might indicate a deeper correction. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price movements. On the hourly chart, we can clearly observe the recent consolidation range. Short-term traders should look for breakouts from this range to identify potential entry points. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart allows us to pinpoint even shorter-term opportunities. Here, we can look for specific candlestick patterns, such as engulfing patterns or dojis, to confirm potential reversals or continuations. Considering the news of potential all-time highs and a possible $4,000 target, coupled with the chart analysis, the long-term outlook for XAUUSD remains bullish. However, short-term pullbacks are always possible, especially given the uncertainty around Fed policy and geopolitical events. Key support levels to watch are $3,200, $3,161, and $3,057. Resistance is around $3,400. A decisive break above or below these levels will likely dictate the near-term direction. Watch for non-farm payroll data release, which could trigger significant volatility. Trade carefully and manage your risk.